Welcome back to Tech to Go. I'm your host, Toby, and today we're diving deep into a fascinating development in the world of gaming AI. Microsoft has just unveiled something that could change how games are made and preserved forever. They're calling it Muse. Imagine an AI that can understand and generate game environments just by watching how players interact with controllers or by looking at visuals. That's exactly what Microsoft has created with Muse, and it's pretty mind-blowing stuff. Let me break down how they did this. Microsoft Research teamed up with Ninja Theory, the folks behind Bleeding Edge, and fed this AI model with an incredible amount of gameplay data. We're talking about the equivalent of 7 years of human gameplay. That's about 1 billion image action pairs. Now that's what I call big data. While we're still in the early stages, the current output is limited to a fairly low resolution of 300 by 180 pixels. The potential here is absolutely massive. During demonstrations, Microsoft showed how Muse can generate gameplay in real time and even respond to objects being dropped into the game environment. Sure, it's running at just 10 frames per second right now, but remember, this is just the beginning. One of the most exciting possibilities Microsoft is exploring is game preservation. Phil Spencer, Microsoft's gaming CEO, painted a picture of a future where these AI models could learn how classic games play and make them portable to any platform. Think about that. Your favorite childhood games could be preserved and playable anywhere, without needing the original hardware or engine. But here's what I find really interesting. Microsoft is being very clear about how they see this technology being used. They're not trying to replace game developers or create entire games from scratch. Instead, they're focusing on how Muse can help streamline the development process and add new experiences to existing games. Ninja Theory's studio head, Dom Matthews, put it perfectly when he said they're not looking to use this for content creation, but rather to make the process of making games quicker and easier for their talented team. It's about enhancing human creativity, not replacing it. Microsoft is planning to share some of these AI tools through Copilot Labs soon, so players and creators can actually get hands-on experience with this technology. They're taking a collaborative approach, wanting to make sure their AI innovations actually solve real problems and add value to both creating and playing games on Xbox. Before we wrap up today's episode, I want to address something important. I know there's concern in the gaming industry about AI's impact on jobs, especially with the recent wave of layoffs we've seen. But from what Microsoft is showing us, Muse seems to be positioned as a tool to enhance rather than replace human creativity. If you've enjoyed today's deep dive into Microsoft's Muse AI, please hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to Tech to Go. Your support helps us keep bringing you the latest and most exciting developments in the tech world. Until next time, this is Toby signing off.